Hi guys, today we will show you cream recipe. First I have a liter of milk and I bought a cup of milk in powder. Then I bought 4 tablespoons of corn starch. And turn it nice. Next I put milk on fire and I put 2 tablespoons of coconut and turn the milk. Then I put the milk and cornstarch on milk, bit by bit, and stir. I will repeat it until milk and cornstarch finish. Now I will put some vanilla in milk. To be nice. But not a lot of, and turn it. I finished it now. I am waiting for you in a new point of my kitchen. Good